everyone. Today we will learn the equations. Of course, today we will learn a basic but very important equation. That is, the equation is one variable and one order. Let's have a look. The basic solution of the equation with one variable. It has 5 steps. The first, remove the denominators. Second, remove parentheses. Second, transfer terms. Fourth, combine terms of the same type. And the last, the coefficient of the x term becomes 1. Let's have a look. For example, I will use example. For example, the denominator is 3 and 2x minus 1 plus the denominator is 2 x plus 2 equals 6, 1. How to solution? Let times 6. Here 6. Here 6. Here 6. Of course, here is 2. 2x minus 1. Here's 3 times 2x plus 2 and equals 1. Then we know remove the parentheses. Remove the parentheses. Here, of course, 4x minus 2. Here, 3x plus 6 equals, here is 1. The second step. Third step, transfer terms. Transfer terms. With x, we put it in the left, and the numbers, we put it on the right. Of course, here, 4x plus 3x equals, here 1. Method 2 here becomes positive 2. 6 become negative 6. Okay, then combine terms of the same type. Here, 4x and 3x, of course, is 7x equals 1, 2, 3 minus 6. Of course, negative 3. Of course, x is the 7th, negative 7th, 3. It's 5 steps. Remove denominator, remove parentheses, transfer terms, combine terms of the same type, and coefficient of the x term becomes 1. 5 steps, remember. Okay. Technique of solving equation with one variable. Of course, there's some technique. For example, decimal into integer and whole idea. Split item, make up items. We will use some example to learn the technique of the equations. Okay. For example, find the solution of the equation with parentheses. Co-solve equations. If the equation have the same equation have the same value, we call it the co-solve equations. Let's have a look. Find the solution of the equation with parameters. First, of course, we arrange the equation to form ax equals b. let's have a see. If a is not 0, so x, of course, b divided by x by a. If a is not 0, so x equals b above a. The order equations have only one unique solution, only one. And a equals 0, and b is 0 too. The order equation is if x is every number is okay. So the equation has the countless solutions. Countless. If a is 0, but b is not 0, it's impossible. So the equation has no solution. 3 ways we must note it. Let's learn some interesting example to learn the solution. For example 1, solving the equation. Okay, this equation, the denominator is 0.2 and the denominator is x minus 4 minus 2.5 equals, the denominator is 0.05. The denominator is x minus 3. What's the value? What's the x? Of course, here the denominator and numerator we times what? Of course, here is the fifth one. The denominator and the numerator we times 5 both. Okay, here is here the denominator is 1, and the denominator is 5x minus 20, and here doesn't change, and equals here. Of course, the denominator is 0.05. It equals 21. So we times 20 both denominator and numerator. Of course, the denominator is 1 and the numerator is 20x minus 60. Transfer. So here is 5x and 20x. Here is minus 60 plus here negative because it's changed. So we must change the negative becomes positive. Minus 2.5. Then we combining the similar terms, here 5x minus 20x equals negative 15x equals, of course, here combining similar sum is negative 37.5. Then the last, the coefficient is not 1, then we change it 1. The left and the right divided by negative 15. Of course, here x is 2.5. Is the answer, is the value. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a private message.